California's advanced farming combines modern technology with vast commercial orchards to produce premium pomegranates for global markets.
Italy's picturesque countryside is home to beautiful orchard estates, where premium pomegranates flourish in a Mediterranean climate.
Southern France offers an ideal Mediterranean environment where high-quality pomegranates thrive alongside world-famous vineyards.
Spain is one of Europe's leading premium pomegranate growing regions, producing fruit renowned for its sweetness and quality.
Turkey's Mediterranean climate supports some of the world's finest pomegranate orchards across its fertile mountain valleys. India's Bagua is the world's most sought-after premium pomegranate variety, prized for its deep red color, sweetness, and export quality. Spain's famous Molar de Elche is celebrated across Europe for its naturally sweet flavor and exceptionally soft edible seeds. Turkey's Hijaz variety is admired worldwide for its rich juice, balanced sweetness, and vibrant ruby red arils. The wonderful variety dominates commercial production in the United States and is recognized worldwide for premium juice processing. Azerbaijan preserves hundreds of native pomegranate varieties, earning worldwide recognition as the land of pomegranates.
Pomegranates are naturally rich in powerful antioxidants that help protect the body's cells. Pomegranates provide vitamin C, an essential nutrient that supports the body's natural immune system.
Pomegranate juice is widely appreciated as part of a heart-friendly and balanced diet. Naturally refreshing and full of flavor, pomegranate juice offers a delicious way to stay hydrated. Rich color, natural sweetness, and abundant juice make pomegranates an exceptional choice for premium beverages. Germany's advanced beverage factories combine precision engineering with large-scale production for global markets. The Netherlands is recognized for highly efficient food and beverage processing, supported by advanced automation. Modern American factories rely on automation to maintain consistent quality across millions of bottles every year.
Japan's manufacturing excellence is built on precision, innovation, and exceptional quality standards.
Welcome to the Nectivo Juice Factory, where premium pomegranates begin their transformation into world-class juice.
Freshly harvested premium pomegranates arrive at the Nectivo factory, ready to begin their journey into premium juice.
Every crate is carefully unloaded to preserve freshness before processing begins.
Only perfectly ripened pomegranates continue to the next stage of production. Intelligent optical technology grades every fruit with remarkable speed and accuracy. Multiple washing stages remove natural dust and impurities while preserving the fruit's freshness.
Powerful filtered air dries every pomegranate to prepare it for precise processing.
Automated precision cutting opens every pomegranate while protecting its valuable juice-filled arils.
Advanced separation technology efficiently isolates the fresh arils from the fruit. Freshly extracted pomegranate juice now moves forward for purification and premium quality processing. Gentle pulping releases the juice while helping preserve its natural flavor, preserving its color and quality.
freshly extracted pomegranate juice now moves forward for purification and premium quality processing. Multi-stage filtration produces a cleaner, smoother juice without compromising its natural character.
The balance tank maintains a steady flow of fresh juice before the pasteurization process begins.
Carefully controlled pasteurization helps maintain safety while preserving the juice's natural quality. Rapid cooling prepares the juice for the next production stage while protecting its freshness. Temperature-controlled storage tanks preserve the juice until automated bottling begins. Every bottle is sterilized to ensure a hygienic and safe filling process. Automated filling machines deliver the exact amount of juice into every bottle. Precision capping securely seals every bottle to protect its freshness and quality. Every bottle receives a precisely aligned label for clear product identification. Every bottle is marked with a unique batch code for complete product traceability. Every bottle receives a tamper-evident safety seal. This occurs before final packaging. Automated packing systems prepare every carton for safe transportation. Robotic palletizing creates stable loads, ready for storage, and worldwide distribution. Every finished product passes a final inspection before leaving the factory. Every finished carton is carefully stored until it begins its journey to customers around the world. Every shipment leaves the factory with the same premium quality achieved throughout the production process. Advanced global logistics deliver fresh pomegranate juice efficiently to customers around the world. From the factory to retail shelves, every bottle is prepared to deliver consistent, premium quality. After a carefully controlled journey from orchard to factory, every bottle is ready for customers to enjoy. From the world's finest orchards to your table, every drop tells a story of nature, innovation, and uncompromising quality.